In the ongoing spat between market regulator Sebi and the Sahara group, where Subrata Roy has now dragged Sebi to the Securities Appellate Tribunal, really challenging the attachment of his personal assets and properties. For more on that exclusive story, we've got Ashwin Mohan, who's standing by in our Mumbai newsroom. What a saga this is turning out to be. Ashwin, lots of back and forth. What's Sahara crying foul about this time round?
That's right, Tanya. You hit the nail on the head. This is, in fact, turning out to be a legal roller coaster ride of sorts, with each party suing the other at different stages, at different forums. And of course, this has been a long pending spat between the Sahara group and market regulator Sebi. And in the latest twist, what I've picked up from top level sources is that Subrata Roy himself, in his personal capacity, has moved the Securities Appellate Tribunal, challenging the Sebi order, which of course attached his personal properties and assets. Subrata Roy's plea, I understand from sources, says that Sebi does not have the power to attach his personal properties and assets, because under the Securities Act, if you're not a director or an operator, or in fact a senior official in charge of the daily affairs of a company, and in this case you have two group companies, Sahara India Real Estate and Sahara Housing Financial Corporation. So his plea seems to be that since he was not the director on these boards, therefore under the law Sebi has no powers to attach his properties. In fact, one of the other grounds, of course, is also that Subrata Roy has challenged the finding of Sebi in its order relating to his personal investment or holding in these two group companies. So therefore, on these two grounds, Subrata Roy is saying that Sebi in its order had no business attacking him personally or attaching his personal assets and properties. We understand from sources that this crucial hearing is going to take place tomorrow at the Securities Appellate Tribunal. So 10:30 a.m., that's when the action begins yet again in this long pending spat.
Ashwin, before I let you go, very, very briefly, the Supreme Court has given an order and the market regulators perhaps just executing it. SAT will begin hearings. What really happens next in the case? Is there a breather that Subrata Roy can get at all, because money has to be refunded?
Well, Supriya, the main aspect to this entire case, of course, is the inability of the Sahara group to refund the 17,000 crore rupees plus interest back to the investors. That's at the heart of this case. And of course, the Sebi order that attached his personal assets and properties was in fact put in force after a nudge from the Supreme Court, which in fact told Sebi that it was not doing enough. So therefore, one will have to wait and watch to see how the two-bench tribunal of SAT tomorrow reacts. Subrata Roy does have a legal case. That's what his lawyers are claiming. They are saying that only the company's assets should have been attached and his personal assets should not have been attached. But let's wait and watch to see whether SAT agrees tomorrow as far as Subrata Roy's grievances are concerned.